Hey guys, this is Eddie V. Welcome to another brand new video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And finally, probably today, if you are coming to the channel just to see what color this car is going to look, you're going to see a sneak peek, because we're not painting the exterior, but we're painting the inside of this hood. And we're doing the masking job right now here. So that's what's going on. So in this video, you should see us painting this masking job. It's going along pretty well. So now it's gonna be time to take off the hood. Taking off the hood looks like easy. We just need to unbolt these holes right here. Unbolt these 4 bolts here and be good to go. And yeah, let's get on to it. Well guys, it's time to sand down and buff out the inside of the hood. Once that's buffed out, we'll let it dry, and we'll paint it on the outside of it. This is going to be where we're going to see the color of the car. Okay guys, took a break from washing, and here's the masking tape job currently right now. Okay guys, now it's time to let it sit and dry.
Volvo PV544.
Okay guys, so everything's good to go. Guys, this is the first coat. We're gonna have 3 coats altogether, I think. 2 more coats to go. Guys, here is sort of the finished project. Look at this color. If you can see this bluish tint, that is the blue turquoise pearl. So you can see that is the bluish tint. I'm going to show you as it shines on there. That is going to be the color of the whole car. That's what the interior is going to be. So now it's just time to put on some it's called protective coats to gloss everything up to be even more shinier. So guys, this is what 3 layers of paint does to you. Hold on 1 second. Okay guys, so we put the gloss on, or the, as they call it, the coat. The special protective coat. I forgot what they call it. It's the top coat or whatever it is. It's a... Huh? Clear coat. Yeah, that's what it's called. Clear coat. Look at, hey buddy, you just came in from the paint, huh? What are you up to, buddy? Anyway, look at the color as it is. Very beautiful color. It's very glossy. I like it. Watch the interior quickly. Let me show you the interior. Alright guys, gotta show you quickly how it looks like from the inside. Look at that gloss here, all glossed up in different colors. So very beautiful, very beautiful. Got quite a display here. I'm gonna go quickly show you how the hood looks like too. Here's the hood, all glossy up in different color spectrum as well. Guys, this is a pearl, a white turquoise pearl color. White turquoise pearl. Alright guys, so what's next needs to be done is we need to take off all the masking tape out of everywhere, put the doors back on, and put the hood back on, and then we will head off to paint exterior. The exterior needs a lot of Bondo work done to it, but I'm not gonna show you guys me taking off the masking tape or putting the hood or doors on, because I will have to be going trucking, so that's gonna be later done and it's not gonna be included in the video. So, but yeah, that's what the color is gonna be, and everything should be all right. Very beautiful color. I love it. Okay guys, that's what it looks like. I'm in love with this color. So I lied a bit. I actually did decide to finish taking everything off, and that's what it looks like now. So I took off all the masking tape, and this is just one beautiful color. I'm dead serious. Like, to cover this whole car now in that color, it would be just beautiful. I just can't wait. So back got painted, and yeah, we had fun with overspray, so it looks like almost like original color. But yeah, so next step is to paint the exterior. Gotta put back the hood and the doors. That's not gonna be included in this video. And yeah, beautiful color. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package. Driving a temp in the 6 Series.